5 reasons why thousands of clients ang bumibili ng property dito sa Kamaya Coast. Number 1, may lupa ka na, may beach resort ka pa. Number 2, access to the world-class amenities like water park with giant slides, 9-hole golf course, and adventure activities. Number 3, we have our own Kamaya Coast Mall, hotel, condos, and villas for your comfort and business opportunities. Number 4, accessible. Meron tayong direct ferry from Manila and soon, a Kamaya Coast Airport. Ibang level, di ba? Lastly, we have restaurants like Pancake House, Max's, at iba pang restaurants waiting for you. At sobrang daming developments from Station 1 to Station 3. Kamaya Coast is a property plus vacation plus investment all in one. What are you waiting for? Message now.